the gate! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground, motherfucker!
Imagine this. A luxury car dealership raided, high-speed chases, multiple crashes, but the absolute unthinkable? One of the fleeing suspects just stole a police squad car mid-pursuit. This isn't just a botched heist. It's a terrifying glimpse into the brazen tactics of organized crime. We're going inside the Barrington, Illinois car theft incident that shook a town and revealed a chilling truth about modern auto syndicates. Barrington, Illinois, a quiet town not known for high-stakes car chases. But on this morning, officers responded to a security alert at a car dealership, unaware they were about to confront a sophisticated, multi-vehicle theft ring. What began as a routine dispatch quickly escalated into a pursuit unlike any other, culminating in multiple wrecks, injured officers, and a moment that will send shivers down your spine: the theft of a police cruiser.
They just rammed me. They're ramming the gate. Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground, motherfucker! Oh. 190 more Porsches are being stolen.
138, I'm 1060. Can we get Inverness to respond as well?
77, 73, around
190 black SUV Porsche headed eastbound on Dundee Road, and there was also another Porsche that left southbound.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm okay.
Is he in the car? Are you're hurt?
Huh?
Sector 136, hold it here.
Be careful. 190. We just got a passerby that said the white Porsche.
It's not just one car. This is a coordinated attack. Multiple high-end vehicles, including another Porsche and a Mercedes, are now flooding the roads, turning a single pursuit into a multi-car chase across Barrington.
138, I'm eastbound Dundee, passing Carlisle. That black Porsche is far ahead of me. Right. Black Porsche, eastbound Dundee, far ahead of you.
Hey, I got another Mercedes coming out at a high rate of speed. They're gonna ram the gate. Headed westbound on Dundee Road.
This is a critical point. A fleeing suspect seizing an opportunity jumps into a police vehicle. This isn't just theft. It's a direct affront to law enforcement authority and creates an immediate, extreme public safety hazard. It's a profound tactical nightmare, turning the hunter into the hunted for a brief, terrifying moment. The officer's distress is palpable. I told you, Ryan, my God.
160, I got 277. Stop the car! Get the hell out of the car! Get up! Get up!
We're going to go southbound on Barrington Road. Southbound.
160, I need another unit. Got people running. At 68.
People running somewhere.
Get on the ground!
Email that needed to assist. Yeah.
Get on the ground.
The theft of a police vehicle escalates the criminal charges dramatically, often including aggravated fleeing, grand theft auto, and potentially disarming a law enforcement officer if any equipment was taken. This shows the brazenness and opportunism of these criminals. high-speed chase inevitably leads to multiple crashes. "I just got T-boned. They rammed me," cries one officer, clearly injured. "We have 2 cars broken down here." This chaotic scene is a testament to the risks taken by both the suspects and the officers.
6A, we have 2 cars broken down here. I might need other units out here.
They just hit Motorworks. I just got T-boned. They rammed me. I blocked the gate. And a Porsche came flying out. Hit me.
Central, 138. Following behind the squad car now.
Southbound 14.
Despite the wrecks, the suspects continue to evade on foot. The police are relentless. "Don't you fucking move." The footage shows the intense struggle to gain control, finally leading to the apprehension of Tavarius Jackson.
1050. 1050 right here. 1050 location.
Hey, let me see your fucking hands!
We're at Dundee and Ela.
Dundee and Ela. You know, see, we need units here. And then another vehicle. We got somebody in the woods. Somebody in the woods. That's what we need units here. And then another vehicle. We got somebody in the woods. Somebody's in the woods.
Hey, let me see your fucking hands! Get on the ground, motherfucker! Let me see your hands!
Right up there.
Are they okay over here?
I think it's a stolen car. Just make sure, stay back. I don't know if they're armed.
All right.
So they've all pretty much wrecked right now, so we're chasing them all. I'll keep you updated. Don't fucking move! You hear me? Don't you fucking move! Don't move! Don't fucking move! You fucking move your gun! Stop! Listen to me! Roll onto your stomach! Roll onto your stomach! Hey! Keep your fucking hands up! Don't fucking move! You understand? Don't fucking move! Why are you moving, dude? Yeah, this is the guy. You're gonna get a fucking taste. Don't move.
You okay?
Yep. Okay, thank you guys.
Yeah. I'm not sure if you saw him. There was another guy that took off through the forest.
He did?
Yeah.
Is that the person that came out and stole my squad car?
The one that took your car?
Yeah.
There was a second one that went right before that.
I'm on your back right now.
Don't move.
Tavarius Jackson's extensive rap sheet, including prior burglaries and stolen vehicle charges, immediately flags him as part of a larger, systemic problem. The fact he was on parole for similar crimes is a critical detail that points beyond a spontaneous act.
36. One's been tased.
Then now in custody.
Somebody, entrapment. Central 136, can you please send the paramedics to our location? We have one subject entrapped in the vehicle.
One subject trapped in the vehicle, 10-4.
Oh, this is a victim?
Yeah. There we go.
Come on.
Yeah. Dude, I have no clue. No one right now. Our supervisor's at Motorworks.
Okay.
Where is he? That's cool.
A second suspect, Lamont Jackson, also on parole, was arrested 2 miles away after crashing a second Mercedes. This isn't just bad luck for the criminals, it's a pattern of repeat offending.
Central 136. The subject is out of the vehicle.
Subject out of the vehicle, 10-4.
All right.
All right, so hold on just 1 second. So just to be clear, we got one offender in this stolen spot,
Right.
but in custody.
Right, one victim.
And one victim.
And then everybody else at Motorworks.
Who else? Was anyone else with you in the squad?
Yes.
Someone was in the squad with you?
Yes.
is in the woods here with us now?
Yes, I ain't other woods.
We got one still at large, sounds like.
In the other woods. What? In the other woods over there.
Just put it that way.
Oh, that way.
You want to show him?
Yeah, line to me,
That's
honey.
real. He been got
For sure?
Yes.
Is he armed? Has he got a gun?
Black.
You have a gun?
He got a gun.
What you wearing?
He got a black hoodie, blue band.
Let's go.
We got one at large.
This isn't just 3 random criminals. The police report confirms 5 to 7 offenders stealing multiple key fobs, hitting a second round of cars at 6 a.m. This speaks volumes. This is a coordinated professional operation.
He been got at the woods.
Who was he driving or were you driving?
He was driving. He been got the car when he crashed.
All right, what's wrong?
Fail Dark Cody last seen westbound.
I got it. Go ahead. Relax.
All right, we're gonna stand up. All right, here we're gonna kind of roll aside. Get your knees onto you. Hold on. Get your feet onto you. All right, now come back up. Ready? There you go. All right, we're gonna grab it. Just hold on. I'm gonna search you one more time while you're up. Okay?
What happened in Barrington is a symptom of a much larger insidious problem. Organized auto theft syndicates. Groups like the Strikers, recently indicted in federal court, prove these aren't isolated incidents. They hit dealerships across multiple states, stealing millions in luxury cars, which are then quickly flipped on social media for pennies on the dollar.
What is that?
All right, you got a taser probe in you, just FYI. So
That's gonna be hard. We gotta go that way.
that way.
No, it's such a big slope right there.
All right, here, you got him for a second. Hold on.
Did y'all would cook him?
What?
Did y'all would cook him?
No.
Yeah, with it.
Barrington.
These crews don't just take cars. They cause major property damage, steal key fobs and plates, and operate with a shocking level of boldness. When a crew walks into a car dealership in broad daylight, they're sending a message. We're not hiding.
I won't be out here with these people. When he crashed, hit me in my head.
All right, we're gonna get you an ambulance, but we got to get you up here, man. We called an ambulance already. Okay?
Okay.
Can you get your legs on you so we can get up?
Okay.
We're like literally almost there. Look at this. Look.
Barrington was just another target on their map. This kind of brazenness shakes the foundation of what safety even means. It's not a random crime, it's a system. And when you see it play out in broad daylight, it's hard not to wonder how deep this network really goes.
He's gonna need an ambulance too, but you don't need an ambulance?
Yeah, we're gonna get you checked out regardless. Hello? Have they called you yet? We got a major show. You gotta come in. We got one squad's crash. We got one guy in custody at least. Multiple one civilian that was involved in the crash.
We're going to shut down.
Looking for 2 more guys running around town.
Hey, can you guys shut this down?
This incident is a stark reminder of the sophisticated criminal enterprises operating beneath the surface. It's why law enforcement is on the front lines, risking everything. What are your thoughts on this type of organized crime? Did anything in this video surprise you? If you found this breakdown insightful and eye-opening, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. We continue to expose and analyze these critical events to keep you informed. Thanks for watching.